जब भी वरुण अपना गाना सुनते हैं वो गाड़ी में डांस करना शुरू कर देते हैं और फिर वो इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी बन जाता है. हमने इनके इतने सारे इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज कैप्चर किए. वरुण, वो फीलिंग क्या होती है? मतलब गाना बजते ही आप ऑटोमेटिकली अंदर से हो जाता है.
You know, honestly, ये पहले तो सबको व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हो आप लोग? थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग टुडे. आलिया ने बोला आज सैटरडे है, मीडिया को थैंक यू बोलना ही बोलना है कि सैटरडे के दिन सुबह में आए सब लोग.
हाँ, वीकेंड है ना, ऑफ कोर्स. कल रात को पार्टी किया है? हाँ, किसी ने पार्टी किया है? सबने पार्टी किया है.
She's partied.
Oh, superb. So thank you for being here at the 12 in the afternoon.
Nice.
बट यू नो जेन्युइनली अगर मैं कोई भी फिल्म करता हूँ, वो फिल्म से एक दो गाने होते हैं जो ऑब्वियसली यू लाइक मोर देन द अदर सॉन्ग्स. तो जब मुझे कोई भी गाना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आता है, आई कांट कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ. इफ यू प्ले इट एनीवे आई माइट स्टार्ट डांसिंग. इवन इफ आई एम ऑन द रोड एंड इट प्लेज, आई विल जस्ट लाइक गिव अ लिटिल.
आई टेल यू, वरुण को खुशी होती है कि मेरा गाना बज रहा है, मेरा गाना बज रहा है. It's playing. So even I'm on the phone with him and suddenly the song will start playing. अगर हम लोग कोई important भी बात कर रहे हैं ना, he'll stop talking and say the song is playing, change, put the channel. So it is just excitement, passion or excitement.
It's only passion.
Varun, but we have to do something. Touch wood. This man has till date not given this industry a single follow-up film. Please give him a big round of applause. He's one of the most successful actors of our generation. I think Varun, आप जो भी करते हैं ना, वो से एक मिडास टच जैसे होता है. मिडास टच हो ही जाता है. So I think recreating this song, इतना सारा डांसिंग, इतना सारा, मेरा ट्रेलर बड़ा ही क्यूट था यार, बहुत क्यूट लगा हमें. इस गाने के पीछे माधुरी जी एंड संजू बाबा, हाउ इज दैट फीलिंग? मतलब
And Saroj ji.
of course, yes.
I think हम सब बहुत nervous थे. Me, Varun, Shashank, Bosco, who's choreographed the song, and we were all very nervous. But I think हमारा एक ही एजेंडा था कि हमको recreate नहीं करना है, हमको tribute देना है almost. कि हम लोग जब क्लब में होते हैं, I'm sure जिन्होंने भी रात को क्लबिंग किया है, I'm sure जब बॉलीवुड नाइट होता है और अगर कोई पुराना गाना बजता है, we all get so excited, right? तो ये वही है, पुराना गाना बज रहा है,
ट्रिब्यूट.
You know, और आजकल ट्रेंड चल रहा है to recreate the old Hindi songs. But what we've done in this, what's done beautifully by Tanishq, who's our music director, we've retained the old voices. बप्पी दा की आवाज है, अनुराधा पोडवाल की आवाज है इसमें. Amin Siani is also there. So obviously RJ आप हो तो आपको पता है who he's a legend in the RJing world. Amin Siani की भी आवाज है इसमें. So it's actually a hashtag TBT. It's actually a throwback. And Badshah is also wrapped in this. So it's a fusion of old and new. And I think सबसे ज्यादा pressure Bosco के ऊपर होगा. He's over here. इधर छुपे हुए Bosco उधर छुपे हुए. सुभाष घई की टोपी चुरा के आए वो आज. पर क्योंकि Bosco, were you stressed recreating this song because Saroj ji being the legendary choreographer that she is? झूठ बोल रहा है आदमी, but no, I think we all were little nervous obviously, but this is our take on it and we don't want to take more time. I know you all want to see the song, judge it, criticize it, praise it. But honestly, हम लोग ने दिल से किया है. Like or dislike it. You all can say whatever you all want, but we honestly had a blast doing it. And we've already got a thumbs up from Baba and Madhuri ma'am.
So let's have the song.
Let's have the song, guys.
I just think, so एक काम कर दें.
No, we'll do it live, but I have to do this. I think it's very unfair. I think the two people behind this song who are so important. One is Bosco. We could not have done this song without Bosco. It's so difficult to recreate a Saroj Khan song. Let's hear it for Bosco, guys! Khetan, the director, the actual hero of this film. Please hear it for him. He's the director of Hamshi Sharma ki Dulhania and of Badrinath ki Dulhania. Shashank Khetan.
Shashank knows all the hook steps.
He doesn't own Khetan fans.
He's done it.
He's still very, very popular.
Alright, so यहाँ पर what we're going to do is, you're going to teach the audience.
I think Bosco should teach everyone.
Okay.
First, Shashank will teach, I think.
Shashank himself used to be a dancer, by the way, guys.
Let's do specialized jobs. You do your thing.
No, but how are you feeling seeing this?
I think it's fantastic. There's too much pressure when Varun said we're doing Shashank till we got Tamma Tamma. So there was so much pressure on us to recreate this world because I think they're taking some 10 days and that's how I rehearsed for 19 days.
2 months, yeah.
Sanju sir told us, we met him last night, he said, मैंने 2 महीने के लिए rehearsal किया था.
Shashank gave us only 4 days.
But Varun, how did Sanju Baba actually tell it to you? मतलब, how did he say it to you?
He says, यार मैंने तो 2 महीने के लिए rehearsal किया था. Or he told Alia to put the speaker on and then Alia took a lot of time and then he told Alia, are you drunk or am I drunk?
I think can you teach us this step? Can you हो जाए हमारे audience
हाँ,
के हमारे लिए?
तो
Please, सिखा
बॉस को
दीजिए.
I think you should go for it.
Before we do that, we can end this with that. Do you guys want to start with the questions first? No.
डांस पहले करेंगे.
I think Varun and Alia should show us what they learned from
Yeah.
Madhuri ma'am. Yeah, Madhuri ma'am taught you all something.
नहीं,
Show us that.
माधुरी
the
ने
original.
हाँ माधुरी मैम ने हमको ओरिजिनल हुक स्टेप सिखाया. वरुण प्लीज दिखाइए.
नहीं.
चलो.
ओरिजिनल क्या था?
नहीं, I think जो हमें आता है हम लोग वही करते हैं भाई. हम लोग का ग्रेड थोड़ा लोअर है. मतलब हाई है, सॉरी.
चलो आ जाओ भाई. नहीं, हमारा ग्रेड लो नहीं.
तू decide कर ले.
वो मस्त है.
नहीं पर हमने वर्जन किया. इफ यू ऑल हैव नोटिस्ड हमने वो किक वाला स्टेप भी किया था. व्हाट टाइम?
I got it ना मैम. मैम मैं आपको वैलेंटाइंस डे पे बाहर लेके जा रहा हूँ. इस बार आप हमेशा से मेरी
But you actually got the original step. I was still struggling.
No.
You got it.
She's saying yeah, that's right.
Yeah. But it's right. सच है. But okay, boss को why don't you show us the tama step?
I think.
Epic, legendary.
क्या once more?
एक सेकंड इसका मेरे
Cardio
पास
हो गया
जवाब
हमारा
है.
यहाँ पे.
वैसे भी हमारे देश में 150 अवार्ड होते हैं. उधर आके हम लोग नाचते ही नाचते हैं. ऊपर से इधर भी नाचते हैं. पैसे देना बंद कर देंगे अवार्ड वाले.
But I think that was fabulous. अब आपके तरफ से सांस वापस ले लेते हैं. Question and answer session. Please आपका नाम लीजिए, आपके
Hi,
company का, और फिर सवाल पूछिए.
वरुण आलिया, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि पहले वाले गाने की क्या यादें थी आपकी, अगर आपको याद आता हो.
चेयर निकाल लेते
नहीं
हैं.
चाहिए. हम खड़े रहेंगे. Thank you.
आप किधर से बोल रहे हो सर? हाँ, आरजे आलोक सर, आप नए लुक में आते हैं रोज.
सर पार्टी के हिसाब से आया.
हाँ, आज आप कोई दूसरे देश के लग रहे हो.
Come as a Cuban today. You look like Cuba mafia.
Yeah.
तो फुल रेट्रो वाइब है आपका. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
सॉरी सर. हाँ जी बोलिए.
तो पहले वाले गाने की क्या यादें हैं, अगर आज याद आता है कि संजू बाबा माधुरी स्टेज पे.
अगर वो आज ये स्टेज पे होते तो हम लोग ये
नहीं होते.
बिल्डिंग में नहीं होते. पर नो, आई थिंक व्हाट वी डिड वाज हम लोग ने जाके संजू सर को गाना दिखाया. हम लोग ने जाके माधुरी मैम को गाना दिखाया. एंड दे बोथ gave us that encouragement, and that's why we are so fired up today. More than that, I think Bappi Da, who's the original creator of this track, he's re-recorded his voice after so many years. Bappi Da re-recorded his voice. He's in this track, and when he gave his blessing, I mean, I spoke to him saying, "Tu mera bachcha hai," and all. So I felt so good about that. And Sanju sir to said he's played with Alia as a literally like a toddler, like.
As a child, yeah.
As a child, मतलब you're a baby.
I was a baby when I'm still a baby, but
अरे अभी तो आलिया बड़ी हो गई है, नहीं बड़ी हो गई है? अभी हो गई यार.
nobody's agreeing. 3 people have said हाँ हो गई है. सब लोग कह रहे हैं नहीं बच्ची है अभी भी.
और इसमें नागिन वाला
What do I feel? मैं अभी 24 की होने वाली हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी हो
काफी
गई
है 24.
पिछले साल से तो बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं.
Alia, yeah. Madhuri is known for a great dancing moves. Was it a little difficult on your part to step into her shoes for this?
तो मैंने एक्चुअली ट्रेलर लॉन्च में ही बोल दिया था that I am not trying to step into her shoes because that is totally impossible. Obviously बहुत, इनफैक्ट जब हम गए थे उनको दिखाने के लिए मैं ऐसे बैठी थी वहाँ पे because I was so nervous क्योंकि मैं बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ उनकी. And Varun was saying, you know, Alia, I want to take a video of Madhuri ji, but looking at you, I just want to take a video of your expression right now.
मतलब माधुरी मैम ऐसे देख रही थी और आलिया माधुरी मैम को देखे. Reaction for 3 minutes आलिया was just like.
The night before that मेरे को सपने आ रहे थे कि I was supposed to go to her house and I forgot to go and I was getting nightmares and getting so scared because it's such a
even
big
when we
deal.
went to meet Sanju sir, so we were sitting in the car and Alia told her drivers only, हाँ बाबा के घर लो, बाबा के. I said बाबा के घर तेरे दोस्त है क्या? बाबा के घर.
1 second. I said आपको संजय दत्त का घर पता है? He said हाँ पता है. Then Sunil, my driver, who's a very big fan of Sanjay Dutt, he told Manoj, who's Varun's driver, बाबा के घर जाना है. So he's the one who said Baba, not me. No, but everybody calls him Baba, so then but I said Sanjay Dutt.
Can you share some anecdotes, both of you, about your first meeting with both Sanjay and Madhuri as a child?
Actually, I have a great. My dad was doing this film with Madhuri ma'am called Yarana, which had Rishi Kapoor and her. And we were shooting in Switzerland. And there would be these long bus rides where we would go. And in the bus, we would play the song. Sorry, in the bus, we would play the song. And I would remember dancing with her. I would dance a lot with her. So, in fact, recently when I met her, she said, Varun, the way you danced with me in that bus, till date, you've never danced on screen like that. Because obviously, I was much younger then. And she's like, the day you do that, that's the time you'll be completely free. Because you didn't care who I was, what I was. You were just dancing and enjoying us. I mean, I didn't, in my brain at that time, I couldn't fathom that I was dancing with the country's biggest star at that moment. But, so I've danced with her in a bus.
Alia?
You had your own version of Chaiya Chaiya, but in a bus. मुझे याद नहीं है exactly. But I know I remember having Sanju around as a kid a lot because he spent a lot of time with my father. So he knows me since I was a child. Madhuri ma'am, I think I met when I became an actor only. I don't think I met her. But actually, मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते कि I know you since you were so small. But when I was so small, I had no idea who anybody
Listen, I'm
was.
still so small only.
वरुण इसमें नागिन जैसी लड़की का क्या है? कुछ वो फिल्म में डायलॉग
कौन सी लड़की सर?
इसमें नागिन
बीन बजाती हुई
बीन
नागिन।
बजाती-
ये है ना नगीना.
तो सिर्फ गाने में ही है या फिल्म में भी ऐसी कुछ बातें होंगी?
फिल्म में भी है. एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर से ये जोक चलता था जब मिकी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर इनका मेकअप करते थे.
You remember?
ये अपना लिपस्टिक खा जाती थी. तो लिपस्टिक डालते थे. ये खाना नहीं खाती थी बिकॉज शी वाज ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट.
Don't say
लिपस्टिक
that.
खा लेती थी. So we would call her Nagina.
Actually, मेरा pet name है नगीना, but I think उसका इससे कोई relation नहीं है.
I think that's all credit to Tanishq Bagchi, who's the music director and who's recreated the song beautifully for us. Amin Siani की आवाज है. He's 90 years old, guys, and he's recorded this voice is his real voice, and he's done it now. So I mean, thank you, Amin Saab, for doing that for us. Thank you.
Sashank, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Any particular reason for choosing this song? And
as-
how did you, and where does this song fit in the movie? Is it just a promotional, like how does
No,
it
no, no, it's
it's
a
very
part
much part of the movie. It's as we mentioned earlier, the fact that when we go out and we club, and if an old Bollywood song plays, we know the song, we lip sync to the song as well, and we kind of try and do all the popular dance moves. So that's exactly how it is placed in the movie. It's a bunch of friends going out, they're partying, and when they go out partying, it's the song that plays. And the whole idea, even when I met Bosco for the first time, we said that let's not try and create any new dance move, but let's try and give our tribute to the 90s. Let's give a throwback to all the 90s, because what happens is everyone doesn't know the hook step. So they know one hook step, and then we start putting in all the other hook steps of all the other song in the same song. So that was really the idea of recreating it. And why Tamma Tamma? I mean, if someone offers me Tamma Tamma again, I'll do it all over again. It's a fabulous song.
You'll
I
have
was
to do
9
it
years
with
old
me.
when I heard it the first time.
You'll have to do it with me again.
Which one? Again with Bosco.
Correct.
Yeah, hi Varun and
Hello, sir.
Alia. The song is fabulous. जब आपको पता चला कि ये song करना है, how much were you excited? And definitely we know कि Varun and Alia are like very dance freak, in fact. Like, how much you enjoy shooting?
Dance freak?
You
Free or
enjoy
freak?
dancing.
हाँ, yeah. of
Alia is
course.
a freak.
I don't know. I was very excited. Varun actually was the one who called me up and said, Alia, we're doing Tamma Tamma. We have to bring our A game on. We have to rehearse. We have to look amazing. We have to look smashing. Because that's what Varun always does. No? He'll always call me up and charge me up. And if I'm even a little bit down, I'll suddenly be up and I'll be all over the place. But that's actually how excited we were. I mean, as Shashank said, if we had given the chance, we'll do it all over again. But I'm glad you guys liked it. Hit hogi, na?
Yeah, definitely. Varun, what
I'll tell you something very it might sound freaky. I knew I'm going to do this song someday in my career. And this happened to me when I was 16 years old, working out with Sanjay Dutt in his own gym. And he had his CD disc player that time, and there was this Tamma Tamma written on it with fell pen. So it was the original mix version, I mean, of that time. And I said, Sanju sir, can I play this? And I was like, yeah, play. And he was in a Ganji, and he had this beat marne ke liye wo band pehante wo pehna hua tha, and we put it on, and the dun, and I was just looking at him, and he's double my size, but I was like, dude, agar main ye gana karunga to mera kya hoga? लोग पागल हो जाएंगे, तम्मा तम्मा अगेन. I started imagining वो bubble आता है, and it's happened now. And if you dream it, it can happen. I just
You know, a
that's
very
it, yeah.
freaky story to this is when I was studying filmmaking in my institute. We were all 90s fans, and the minute Tamma Tamma used to play, I was like, this song is going to be in my movie one day. So it is so freaky, and I know all my friends right now are going to be thinking about it. So
But we have to thank T Series, Bhushan sir, for
Absolutely.
And
he promised us that he's going to do the step with us, but I don't think he's come.
Bosco, what have you to say about your experience doing this song and when you came to know about this particular song कि ये song करना है, अरुण है, आलिया है, what was your preparation from your side?
Actually, Shashank made it very easy. उसने बोला we'll retain the steps, तो मेरे लिए बहुत easy हो गया था. And he brought in a new idea. He said that there's this new thing that's called mannequin challenge that's happening, and we retained that and in a very cool way. So we had a lot of ideas. So if you see that the glass, the water spilling, we've actually used wax. So it's all in mid-air. So it's all live. And then there's a record player which we hung through the tangus. So I'm giving all these secrets so that you guys know. And yeah, these cool ideas came in and with Alia and Varun, who's a ball of energy, when खड़े रहते हुए ऐसा लग रहा डांस कर रहा है. So I think it's fantastic to work with them and recreate this whole world which was done by legends. So we're proud to be a part of it.
Bosco,
Alia, Varun. Yeah, hi.
Ladies first है bro. Ladies first.
आज तुम चौथे कैसे गए, पहले कैसे नहीं गए? हाँ, कुछ गड़बड़ है, तबीयत ठीक है?
नहीं ठीक है.
हाँ, ओके.
ओके, तो हमने देखा, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, हमने देखा बहुत ही एनर्जी दिखाई है आप लोगों ने गाने में, लेकिन क्योंकि गाने की जो लाइन होती है तू प्रेमी से स्टार्ट होती है और वैलेंटाइन डे भी आने वाला है, तो क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लानिंग करने वाले हैं आप लोग?
आई मिस्ड यू. ये तुम्हारा जो सवाल मैंने बहुत मिस किया. तू प्रेमी हमारे लिए कौन है, वरुण?
पहले तो तू प्रेमी मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ.
रियल लाइफ में कौन है तू प्रेमी? गुफ्त कर दे.
कौन है?
मेरे लिए कोई प्रेमी नहीं है भाई. बोल दो. प्रेम चुप रहा है.
एंड वरुण एंड आलिया, आज प्रॉमिस डे भी है, तो आज के
कौन सा है भाई?
प्रॉमिस डे.
अरे रोज कोई ना कोई दिन होता है यार. आज एक ही दिन है.
प्रॉमिस डे. तो आज आप हमको एक प्रॉमिस कीजिए.
क्या?
कि आज के बाद आप प्रेमी के बारे में नहीं पूछेंगे. हाँ? आप तू प्रेमी देखिए बट पूछिएगा नहीं.
और आज कोई प्रॉमिस डे, मेरे को ये सब पता नहीं. आज एक ही दिन है जो मुझे बचपन से दिखाया था, और उसका नाम है सैटरडे. बस वही. प्रॉमिस डे किसने बोला है? आज है क्या?
अरे डे बिफोर यस्टरडे वाज प्रपोज डे.
वैलेंटाइन्स वीक.
किसने रखा है प्रॉमिस आज तक दुनिया में?
वैलेंटाइंस डे ठीक है.
मेरे को क्या क्या प्रॉमिस हुआ था अब तक नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ. टाइम है.
शशांक, हाय शशांक.
मैम यू आस्क. मैम इनको पूछो तो फिर उसके बाद आप.
Last two questions, guys.
First of all, Uncle, this is absolutely awesome. The song is smashing.
Thank you. I will gift you this ball.
And since it's so much fun, why don't you share some fun behind the scenes stories from the song shooting?
Varun, say it, Varun.
Outstanding story, but I'm not allowed to say it.
Varun, say it, Varun.
आई एम अलाउइंग यू. से इट. प्रॉमिस कर रही होगे, तुम कर सकते हो.
Alia cried while we were shooting the song.
But that's not a fun anecdote at all.
Because of Bosco.
It was great fun for us.
It was,
to see it.
keep quiet.
Again?
It was not because of Bosco.
Hello.
But yeah, I cried.
Varun, what about other songs of
पाजी कैसे हो? पाजी बोलो जी.
बाकी के गानों के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने. बाकी के गाने भी बड़े चंगे जी. एक गाना है हमारा हम सफर जो नेक्स्ट रिलीज होने वाला है, जो अखिल एक लड़का है, नया लड़का है. हाउ ओल्ड इज ही? अच्छा, थोड़ा मेरे को लगा बहुत यंग है तो मैं बोल देता तो इम्पैक्ट होता. बट नया म्यूजिशियन है एंड ही क्रिएट, उसकी खुद की धुन है एंड ही क्रिएटेड दैट. वी हैव दैट. देन देयर इज आशिक सरेंडर व्हिच अमाल मलिक हैज डन फॉर अस, व्हिच इज एन आउटस्टैंडिंग ट्रैक. एंड देयर इज रोके ना रुके नैना जो एक इमोशनल ट्रैक है जिसने अमाल मलिक ने किया. एक हम लोग ने ये कोशिश की है फिल्म में, ऑल द म्यूजिशियंस आर ऑल न्यू बडिंग टैलेंट्स एंड दैट इज द होल. मतलब पूरे फिल्म में जो हमारी क्रू है, एवरीवन इज प्रैक्टिकली न्यू.
शशांक,
We have some award winners also.
One last question, guys.
वरुण, वरुण जी यहाँ पर. वरुण, आपने गोविंदा का बयान सुना होगा. उन्होंने काफी
नहीं सुना.
आपने नहीं सुना तो मैं बता दूं. उन्होंने डेविड जी के लिए काफी कुछ कहा है कि उन्होंने.
मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
आज promised है.
हाँ. शशांक.
Yes, ma'am.
शशांक, आपने इसमें बप्पीदा को क्यों
वरुण
नहीं
will
रखा? म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर आपने उनकी वॉइस ली, म्यूजिक भी काफी अच्छा है, लेकिन उनको क्यों नहीं रखा?
This is the last question, huh, guys?
Right. Ma'am, actually, we just heard a song. हमारे को ये गाना तनिष्क ने सुनाया. We immediately reacted to the song and the idea was that he sings it. So we didn't really think so much कि हम किसी को approach करेंगे या. We were extremely excited that we heard this song and he agreed to give
But
his
Tanishq
voice.
ने
And he
पहले-
did it with his blessing. So I think that's all
Exactly.
important.
Tanishq sent the song to Bappida, asked him, and Bappida spoke to Tanishq, and they had that conversation. I think Bappida gave his own views कि ये भी कर सकते. So it's a very collaborative effort. This song will always remain Bappida's. It is his song, and it will forever be Bappida's song. It will forever be Sanjay Dutt, Madhuri Dixit, Saroj Khan. It is their song. It is just how young people, when they hear a song, जो पुराना गाना होता है, जैसे आप लोग कभी देवानंद का गाना सुनते हो या दिलीप कुमार का गाना सुनते हो, those memories get refreshed. So same way for us, we go through
You
that
know,
nostalgia.
like I was 9 years old when I heard the song for the first time, and I think we feel extremely blessed that all of them have given us their blessings. We are really honored. So उन सब ने बहुत अच्छी चीजें बोली, and we're just praying that it works out well for us.
Thank you. That will be it. That will be it.
क्या करना है? हाँ, फोटो करेंगे. उस जाने से पहले आपने देखा होगा गाने में कि हमने मैनिक्विन चैलेंज किया है. तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे. एक बार हम सब मैनिक्विन चैलेंज कर लेते हैं. हाँ, पता है ना, मैनिक्विन चैलेंज 50 बार किया होगा. चलो